All right, so got the deck done today. Everything looks good. Everything's sanded down. I still got to put grab rails on. I got black iron bars that are coming. I got to assemble and put together for that. But right now I'm putting this radiant barrier up here. Well, it's not just a radiant barrier. It's also going to hold my insulation from falling out into the roof in the porch. It's duck wrap. It's got an R6 rating, which I really don't care about the rating. I just needed something to hold the insulation back because I've got 2 feet of insulation that goes in this attic. So to give you a perspective, that upright is 3 foot tall, maybe a little bit taller. So hopefully this is gonna hold back my insulation, one, and also because I'm facing almost due west, kind of southwest. Hoping it'll kind of act as a radiant barrier. That's my hope anyway. Any thoughts on that would be great. But in here you can see it goes all the way up. I still have air gap up there for airflow. I would have loved to condition the attic, but I'm not using it for storage. I will have an attic access, but other than that, nothing. No storage up there. So, but that's what I'm doing for holding back my insulation. And I've got to do the same thing back there. It's just going to be a little bit tighter, and it's going to run farther up the top cord of the truss. So, yeah, I waited till they got the porch on so I could get all that in there. But, yep, that's it. A little small daily update on stuff I'm trying to get accomplished. And now it's time to go to work on night shift this week. So, yep, that's all I'm getting done today. Finish the rest tomorrow when I get off.